Naghain ang dalawang grupo ng kabataan ang reklamong plunder sa Office of the Ombudsman laban kay Budget Secretary Butch Abad. Inihain ng grupong Kabataan Party List at Youth Act Now ang 16 na pahinang petisyon sa Ombudsman. Ayon kay Kabataan Party List Representative Terry Ridon, mali ang ginawang pag-convert ni Abad sa pondo ng bayan para gawing disbursement acceleration program. Nilabag-an niya ng kalihim ang Republic Act No. 78, ang Plunder Law, Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act at ang Revised Penal Code. Hinimok din ng mambabata si Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales na aksyonan ang kanilang reklamo.
With respect to a plunder complaint on a misuse and misappropriation, I think although Janet Napoles might be a primary, Janet Napoles and the senators might be a primary suspect, Secretary Abad cannot escape culpability from their use.
Why not?
Because it was him that released the funds to all of these NGOs.